In this tutorial, you will learn how to use headings in HTML. HTML provides 6 heading elements. They range from H1 to H6. H1 is the highest level heading. H6 is the lowest level heading. Each heading uses an opening tag, some text content, and a closing tag. By default, H1 appears the largest. Each heading level becomes smaller until H6. However, heading tags should not be selected only because of their default size. They should be selected according to the structure of the page. H1 is normally used for the main heading of the page. H2 is used for major sections. H3 is used for subsections inside an H2 section. The remaining heading levels can be used for deeper levels of content. Let us write an example in the body. HTML tutorial with heading 1 is the main page heading. Let us say we would like to have 2 sections in this page: HTML basics and HTML forms. Since these are major sections, we use heading 2. Inside the basics section, we shall have 2 subsections: elements and attributes. Since these are subsections, we shall use heading 3. Inside the form section, we shall have on subsection form controls. Please observe that we are using heading levels in a logical order. Headings and paragraphs serve different purposes. A heading introduces a section. A paragraph contains the regular text inside that section. For example, in the basics section, after the heading 2, we can have a paragraph. Headings make a page easier to read and scan. They also help browsers, search engines, and accessibility tools understand the structure of the content. For this reason, we have to use meaningful heading text. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more HTML tutorials.